Westview Estates unveiling. In this kind of environment with shared boundary, in our marketing strategy, neighborhood is one of the is the major core value of our marketing for Westview, which means if a particular people, a particular set of individual cannot, it doesn't have opportunity to build in Ajah or Lekki, but want to create a standard of Lekki, which means apart from you residing in Lekki, now let us take an example of Kenaland. A lot of people move from Lekki and they are residing in Kenaland. Now we are not building a structure that is befitting a suitable class, irrespective of what you earn. One, a class can be a civil servant, it can be a business owner, it can be an entrepreneur person, which means it can build or take a structure in Westview and become the owner of a particular investment in Westview.
This is Oxford Estate, Aton Ota, Akure. This is the estate that we've had this property for over a year now. And then this property is directly behind the Winners Chapel. We came straight from Winners Chapel, then came straight. Winners Chapel is like adjacent. So what we did was to come to this extreme so that we can have them as our neighbor. Then this place has opportunity for us to expand. We are not limited here, unlike those other locations. We have land in Sari before this place, but Sari is limited. We have land in Lemomo. Lemomo is limited, but this place is unlimited. We can decide to expand to the left or the right. Now this road goes straight to Agbara, but it's not opened yet. That's why we are not using Agbara to enter here. You can either come through Agbara or come through Ota. But most importantly, the reason why we decide to structure this place here is because of Canaan City. Canaan City, they want to build 1,000 units of houses and sell for 22 million. So which means anybody living here is a neighbor to Canaan City. So if I cannot buy 22 million naira home, I can buy a plot of land and build near it to 22 million naira home. That's why we decide to site our location here. Then, because it has access to Agbara, it's also another advantage. Agbara, we know that it's an industrial area in all of West Africa. If not for Beju that is trying to steal the glory of Agbara, Agbara should have been an industrial point in Nigeria. But notwithstanding, the only thing in Ibeju-Lekki is Dangote Refinery.
Westview Estate Aton Ota is one of our foremost estates that we're developing today. An estate that has the capacity to house over 250 people. And then we are developing it into being a boutique, well-styled luxury estate right there in Aton Ota. Everybody knows Aton Ota. Aton Ota is one of the link to the world most influential industrial location in the whole of West Africa. That is talking about Agbara, where we have almost all the industries in Nigeria. Now, Westview Aton Ota is actually located at the back of Winners Chapel.
Most of our locations have proper documents such that in some locations we have a title of Global C of O, in some locations we have a registered survey, while in some we have gazettes and excision that has been perfected such that when customers are buying from us, they don't have issues with all these things. So relating with Oxford is an opportunity for anyone that will buy from us, and it makes their work easier, and they don't need to run here and there in order to get the best from us.
Oxford Commercial Services International Limited is one of the budding real estate companies that has over 22 locations in Lagos, Ogun, and Oyo states. And this is one of our prime estates which we are starting development on soon. I want you to partner with us and see that you are relating with a company that is able to grow your investments from the little amount to a very huge sum of money.
Our estate is going to be developed in a few days. We are commencing development here. We are going to have gatehouse, perimeter fencing, electrification, road network, CCTV, internet, and we are going to have a lot of things here. We are going to be constructing the medical center here because we are looking at having one of the best medical centers in this area in our estate. We're also looking at police posts that will also be constructed here. So if you are buying now, this is the best time to buy. You are buying at 600,000. We want to assure you by December 2018, this place is going to be selling for about 2 to 3 million naira. It's going to be a wow investment for people that understand real estate investment.
On behalf of the Board of Directors of Oxford Commercial and the management, we want to thank all our esteemed customers that believed in us over the years. We want to thank our investors. We want to thank all other stakeholders that have been in the business. We want to thank our contractors, all the engineers working on site. I want to really thank you guys. You have done a good job for us. All the things you did are superb. In Oxford Commercial Service International Limited, we believe in one land, one customer. Thank you.